Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Glow Recipe Avocado Ceramide Moisture Barrier Cleanser. This product retails for $28. I have very high expectations for this product, and that's just because I love both Glow Recipe as a brand and also their avocado collection. Specifically their serum is one of my favorite Glow Recipe products. That product is so gentle and really does great things for my skin barrier, and so I'm expecting this cleanser to do the same thing. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. The highlighted ingredients in this product include ceramides, prebiotics and postbiotics, colloidal oatmeal, and avocado oil. To check out the full ingredient list, make sure you click the link in the description to go to their website. Obviously, this is supposed to be a barrier boosting cleanser, which I love barrier boosting cleansers, but sometimes they don't do a good job at cleansing. That's just a trend with many cleansers that are supposed to be more hydrating. So the big thing that I'm looking for mainly is how well does it work and how well does it cleanse. This is actually a fairly affordable Glow Recipe product, which I'm very glad about, but I do want to see if it does a great job at cleansing the skin while also being very gentle for it. I also want to see if this cleanser leaves any film or anything on my skin. What type of finish does it leave? How does it leave my skin feeling? Sometimes more moisturizing cleansers can leave a little bit of a film on the skin, and so that'll just be another thing I'm looking for. As for anything else, I will be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm here to give you all a quick check-in on this product. So I've been using the product for 2 days. It is definitely a very gentle and effective cleanser. It's done a great job to remove all of my sunscreen, even after I've reapplied like 3 or 4 times. And so it does do a great job at cleansing, and it is a fairly hydrating cleanser. This is the packaging, which it matches all of Glow Recipe's avocado line. One of my complaints though is just the packaging. The first time that I used this cleanser, it like poured out all over the place, so just be very careful. And it is, as you see, it's like already coming out and I haven't even squeezed it. That is what the cleanser looks like. It is like a lathering cleanser, but this cleanser is very gentle and I feel like it would be suitable for sensitive skin, and it feels very hydrating. And it does have a very subtle scent to it that I don't know even how to describe it. It just smells like their avocado serum. So if you've smelled that, then you do know what this product smells like too, because it smells the same. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it off. This product is very hydrating, and you can see that my skin is not stripped. It does leave my skin looking pretty bouncy and looking pretty hydrated, but I would classify this in the almost hydrating but kind of neutral cleanser. It's not overly hydrating, doesn't leave a film on the skin, but I can definitely tell that I need to go in with a moisturizer after this. And in my opinion, I hope that they release an avocado moisturizer as well with some similar ingredients. I feel like a whole line of this avocado collection would be amazing, and so I'm hoping they'll do that in the future. It does a great job at cleansing, and I still have some moisture in my skin. I'm enjoying it so far. I'm gonna continue using it, and then I'll check in again. So I will see you all in the next check-in. Hi everyone, I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. So I really enjoyed my experience with this cleanser. I feel like that this product is really great at supporting your skin barrier and doing a great job at being a very gentle yet effective cleanser. I haven't tried Glow Recipe's other cleansers, so I can't compare it to that product. It's one of those hydrating cleansers though that I feel like is designed for all skin types. I feel like it is gentle enough for dry skin to use, but it's not overly hydrating to a point that I feel like oily skin couldn't use it. It is definitely a very balanced cleanser, and I feel like all skin types could benefit from it. This product is honestly not that expensive in my opinion. It's one of the more affordable Glow Recipe products. You get a lot of this product, and it does such an amazing job at cleansing, and I've noticed a significant difference in how my skin looks overall. It's done a great job at helping a lot of my skin concerns, and it's just a great barrier cleanser. The ingredients in this product are very impressive, and like I said earlier, I hope that Glow Recipe releases an entire avocado line and they make some sort of avocado moisturizer so that you can have a full line of these products. products. I would 100% recommend this product for all skin types. If you are looking for a very gentle barrier supporting cleanser, then I feel like this product would be the way to go. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe because I post new videos every week. And I will see you all in the next review.